Welcome to How to Master Claude for Feature Engineering Reviews. Today, we will explore how to effectively utilize Claude to automate feature engineering processes, enhancing your data model's accuracy and efficiency, and significantly improving your data science workflow. Did you know that feature engineering can take up to 80% of a data scientist's time? In this video, we'll learn how to revolutionize this process using Claude, a powerful tool that automates feature reviews, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building accurate and efficient models. By automating this critical step, Claude not only saves time but also enhances the precision of your models, reducing the likelihood of human error and streamlining your workflow. Stay tuned to discover how you can leverage Claude to transform your feature engineering process. Feature engineering is the backbone of any successful machine learning model. It involves selecting, modifying, or creating features to improve model performance. However, this essential step can be daunting due to its complexity and time demand. Enter automated feature engineering, an approach that uses advanced algorithms to perform these tasks efficiently. Claude excels in this domain, offering a seamless integration of automation into your workflow. By understanding the principles of automated feature engineering, you can significantly enhance your models, streamline processes, and allocate more resources to refining your data analysis and model predictions. Claude isn't just a tool, it's a transformative platform designed to simplify feature engineering with precision and ease. At its core, Claude offers a range of functionalities that integrate seamlessly with your existing data tools. Its user-friendly interface allows even those new to the process to dive in with confidence. Claude's customizable automation settings mean you can tailor processes to meet specific project needs, while its real-time analytics provide immediate feedback on feature performance. With Claude, you're not just automating tasks, you're enhancing your entire data science workflow for optimal results.
Getting started with Claude is straightforward and user-friendly. First, ensure you have the latest version installed on your system. Once installed, configuring your settings is the next step. Claude offers a range of customizable options to suit different project needs. Connect Claude to your data sources, whether local databases or cloud-based services, to begin. Setting up your first project involves selecting the datasets you wish to analyze. With everything in place, you're ready to initiate your first feature engineering review, harnessing the power of automation to transform your workflow.
Feature selection is a critical aspect of building models, and Claude excels in this area. Start by understanding the importance of each feature in your dataset. Claude provides tools to assess feature relevance and impact on model accuracy. While automation is powerful, maintaining some manual oversight ensures that no critical insights are overlooked. Always ensure data quality before running selections. Garbage in, garbage out applies here. Use Claude's iterative review processes to refine your selections continually. This approach not only enhances your model's performance but also increases your understanding of the data's underlying patterns.
One of Claude's standout features is its ability to integrate with a wide array of data tools, enhancing your existing infrastructure without overhauling systems. Whether you're using SQL, Python, or cloud-based platforms, Claude's compatibility ensures seamless data integration. Utilize APIs and plugins to expand functionality and create a synergistic environment where Claude works alongside your favorite tools. By leveraging these integrations, you can maximize productivity and streamline workflows. Should you encounter any issues, Claude's robust support system is equipped to troubleshoot and resolve common integration challenges swiftly.
Let's explore some real-world success stories where Claude has made a significant impact. In the finance industry, a leading firm reduced their feature engineering time by 60%, resulting in faster model deployment and improved accuracy. In healthcare, Claude helped streamline patient data analysis, leading to better predictive models for treatment outcomes. These examples illustrate Claude's scalability and adaptability across industries. Customer testimonials highlight increased efficiency and satisfaction with Claude's capabilities. These success stories demonstrate Claude's potential to revolutionize feature engineering in various sectors, paving the way for future innovations. Feature engineering comes with its set of challenges, especially as datasets grow larger and more complex. Managing feature correlations and ensuring data quality are critical to maintaining model integrity. Over-reliance on automation can sometimes lead to overlooking important features. However, Claude offers solutions to these common challenges. Its advanced algorithms efficiently handle large datasets and detect feature correlations, providing suggestions on how to address them. Claude also includes tools to assess and improve data quality before engineering begins, ensuring that your models are built on solid foundations.
The future of feature engineering is bright, with emerging technologies continually reshaping the landscape. Increased automation and advancements in AI and machine learning are paving the way for more sophisticated models. Predictive analytics is evolving, offering deeper insights and more accurate forecasts. Claude is at the forefront of these trends, continually updating its features to incorporate the latest advancements. By staying informed about these trends and leveraging tools like Claude, you can ensure your feature engineering processes remain cutting edge and your models continue to deliver exceptional results.
As we wrap up our journey through mastering feature engineering with Claude, remember the key benefits: enhanced efficiency, improved accuracy, and streamlined workflows. We invite you to explore Claude further and see how it can transform your data science projects. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences, and don't forget to share this video with your network. Subscribe for more insightful content and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of data science. Together, we can master Claude and elevate our feature engineering capabilities to new heights.